Welcome to our educational video. In this video, we'd like to introduce a system-level widget called timer. This widget is invisible and is used to count the time in milliseconds. Once the count is reached, this widget can trigger several different operations. These operations can be changing pages, setting registers, or initiating a callback function. In this project, we'll use the timer to change the colors of a palette. Let's add the timer widget. Then we create a register called trigger. We want this timer register to be activated by register trigger. The timer can also be set to start running right after powering on. Then we add a latching button for changing register trigger's value. Finally, we add a palette widget and create 3 registers: red, green and blue, representing the color value. In the timer widget, we'd like to use the graphic programming interface to set the behavior once the time is active. For this project, we want the timer to count a number and use this number to decide how to change the color for the palette. We use 3 colors for the palette. Therefore, we need to perform the modulo operation on the count. If the result is 0, the red is shown. If the result is 1, green is shown. And obviously, if the result is 2, then blue is shown. We use several advanced building blocks in this graphic programming interface. See, you can program a complicated behavior without writing a single line of code. Once we press the start button, the timer starts to count. The color on the palette circles from red, green and then to blue. This behavior is what we desire. Thank you for watching. ADE